Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can apply for Amazon jobs online. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser and search for Amazon.jobs, enter and click on the first website. And here you can see search for jobs by title or keyword. So I'm going to search for the job. So let's suppose customer service. You can select by location. So for example, I'm going to search in India, maybe Indiana. Okay, so I'm going to search in US. So then you need to click on that, and here you can see different jobs and click on that, and you can read the basic description, basic qualification and other details. And once you read that and you think that you are the right fit, click on apply now. And here you need to log in and you need to fill out the necessary details, and after that you are easily apply on that job. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.